Hello everyone, my name is Eran Noam Katz from Jerusalem, Israel. Sometimes our life is being stuck and we don't know how. And we try to struggle, change place, work, job, attitude. And you did everything in your life, still our life is in the same position. We don't feel the blessing or the bless that we are used to feel, that God is blessing us. Some Kabbalistic will say that evil eye, sorcering, cursing, hating can make a person to be stuck on the same spot, and he will not be able to develop himself. He cannot continue with his life. He will be stuck in the mud. If you feel like that, don't hesitate. Call me on WhatsApp 972-535-9373, and with a Kabbalistic attitude, pray, and a tikkun, it's called in Hebrew by the Kabbalah, on every Saturday night, say Shabbat after Shabbat, I will do the tikkun for you. I need the mother name and your first name, and Be'ezrat Hashem, with the help of God, will succeed. God bless. Shalom, shalom. Thank you for listening.